I recently stayed at the Ayre Hotel in Kirkwall, Orkney. I paid £105 for a night in a double room with a sea view on a room only basis. Over here we've got the Ayre Hotel. So how do you think you get in? Ah, wrong. That's not how you get into the hotel. Could it be along here a wee bit? Well, nope. That's not even a door. Not there either. Ah. There's your entrance right there. And so, when you come in the room, this is it really. Large double bed. Now, ordered a sea view room, so it's can't really see much. It's night time. So let's have a look and see what we've got in the room. So we've got a tall mirror and a little seat. And in the bathroom, hello. What have we got? There we go. A heat towel rail and some towels. Proper shower at least, so there we go. A screen, better than a shower curtain any day. Toiletries. Not much to it really. And in the room, nice bed. Try it out in a minute and let you know how that goes. Bedside light and the reading light. Tea, coffee, biscuits. That's what I like to see about hot chocolate. Not sure about ginger nuts, right enough. That's just me. Little 32-inch TV. Yeah, ample hanging room. Thing there from bag. Yeah, all right overall.